Yeah, it's a boy, Coral in Victoria. The high flowing leak just produced. Ground's moved. This is swamp country, black peat soil, very reactive. Injection process underway. As you can see, as you inject, the polyurethane reacting with the water, expanding, shutting down the leak. Okay, Coral in Victoria, you saw the footage of the polyurethane being injected in, reacts with the water, expands, shuts down the leak. This is the result. No more leak, and that was a very bad high flowing crack. Phone 0427 427 183 for a quotation.